Alright, welcome to another auto video. Today we're going to be replacing the 4 spark plugs off of this 2017 Toyota Yaris IA. So first, we begin by opening the door, unlocking the door, the trunk release button. So we pull it and the trunk unlocks. We open the hood, secure it, stick. Make sure the trunk doesn't move so it won't fall on your head as you're working. Okay, so first things first, let me go ahead and remove the engine cover. What in the world? Falling leaves. Fall is coming, fall is coming. Okay, so let me go ahead and remove this engine cover. And out it comes. Make sure it has these 2 rubber fittings on here. Okay, and as we can see, the 4 spark plugs are inside these spark plug coils. So it looks like they're a hold with, that might be an 1/8 or a 9 or 10 millimeter size bolt. And I need to disconnect the harness off from the coils. So let me go ahead and afterwards I need to clean them up. Look at that. It's full of dirt. I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect the 4 harness, followed by removing the 4 bolts. Okay, 1 coil is out. I just went ahead and removed the bolts. As you guys can see, I already loosened them up. I can pretty much take it out by hand, place it in a secure, safe spot, and there's no need for you guys to unplug the harness off the coil. And the spark plug is in there. You guys can see that. And let me go ahead and take it out. And to remove the spark plug off of the engine, you guys will be using a 14 millimeter deep socket with a 6-inch extension bar. And a ratchet. And out is the first spark plug. Notice how it's completely burned compared to the new one. You guys see that? Let me just focus a little better. There you go. And the gap from, if we compare it, the gap from the old one is the same for the new one. That tiny gap. Okay. So let me go ahead and put the new one in. Okay, I'm down to my last spark plug. Out comes the spark plug coil. And if it doesn't come out in the socket, make sure you grab a magnet tool, and it should come out. It should come up and out. Tighten it a little bit, not too much, because otherwise the spark plug might break. There you go. And lastly, we put the coil in along with the 4 bolts. So let me go ahead and do it. Well, before I leave you guys, let me just go ahead and show you the first one. It goes in like so. You can pretty much start it off with your hand, and then you grab yourself the mini ratchet with the 8mm deep socket, and tighten it a little bit. Don't tie too hard, because otherwise the bolt might break on you. That will do. That's it. And that's how you replace the 4 spark plugs. Here are the original spark plugs. There are Mazda brand. I don't know if you guys can see that. See that? Mazda brand. So I believe this is the first time that this car is getting serviced. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and see you on the next auto video.